Ensengima yalinge kurikirania ritko Oborwaire Bw'Enyamoreo ritko rero niga bwatani Obosemia na boigo ebyombe basangerekana imeyegetigie University ya Kisii iri gusanga ekirenga ky'omwaka yiga okora Oborwaire obo korwa ase abasae kolengana n'omukonyi w'umu Vice Chancellor intenenera we University ya Kisii Professor Mzee Awol niga kwanire igoro y'obuya Obosemia abasae igoro y'ogwetanga korwa asokonyora Oborwaire obo ase nikibuna University yo nigebwate aboroki wa chiribu 23 nonyama igaye serikali yense ya Amerika kubutora ogosira ase ogokora Oborwaire obo nige serikali ye county ya Kisii yebangire asokolika abanyagitari eligo ikera ekerengo kiabalia basiretie emirimo asebono abasae babuligo gwesokya kwenekia gwetanga bali korwa ase okonyora Oborwaire obo iga mulikito Pethel Machini na mange
Ensengima yaring kurikirania ritko Oborwaire Bw'Enyamoreo rero niga botani Obosemia na boigo ebyombe basangerekana imeyegetigie University ya Kisii iri gusanga ekirenga ky'omwaka yiga gukora Oborwaire obo korwa ase abasae korengana n'omukonyi w'umu Vice Chancellor intenenera we University ya Kisii Professor Mzee Awol niga kwanire igoro y'obuya Obosemia abasae igoro y'ogwetanga korwa ase Oborwaire obo iga asekire nige University yo ebwata aboroki wachirwe 23 abo baganira amaigeri ayo.
Today we are commemorating World AIDS Day and we have joined with the county of Kisii and other stakeholders around here just to have a chat with the young people on how are they responsible on matters of HIV/AIDS, because as a university we have about 28,000 students, and then that tells you how risky the population could be. And so as a university we take it upon ourselves to ensure that we sensitize the students, we create awareness, and even go ahead provide condoms for them to be able to just give them healthy lifestyles. And also we are empowering them to be responsible on matters health.
So we are using the young people to have a conversation with the young people that yes, it is real, we may need to draw back to all the prevention measures that we have. One is that we must test ourselves, do frequent testing, just get to know where we are, our status, so that we prevent infecting others and we also able to live positively.
Asensema ya mwaziri Obosemia me county ya Kisii Ronald Nyakweba nigaina kirimuna ebirengo bya bari bakonyora Oborwaire obo igesabo enekiwe imense ya Kenya county ya Kisii nigo bwakire asekirengo gie isato chinogutaisa na isato igoro yemia
ketu Oborwaire obo atangasi tu Kenya bari baruwarete barenge percentage ya 8.9% bari bamenyeta mu Oborwaire obo lakini natokwana boniga Kenya ngima bari bamenyeta mu Oborwaire obo banyare gokea kuru 8.9 now today at 3.3. Lakini Kisii County from 8.9 today we stand as 3.8%. Bari bamenyete no bari the preference yani Oborwaire na bokonya woka ase imes tomenyete se county yetu ya Kisii. So bari babwate 3.8%. Lakini abange bari bakonyora Oborwaire ne bijana
nonyama igaye serikali yense ya Amerika kubuturogosira asogokora Oborwaire obo nige serikali ya county ya Kisii yebangire asokurika abanyagitari erego ikera ekerengo kiabaria basirite meremo yabo.
And even if the funding was coming from the donors and that has been reduced, we have to step in and now support our people. And as a university here, we have tried to adjust our budget accordingly to be able to provide these services to the young people that was being supplemented before by the donors.
Ndio wata bakolega zaidi ya 600 bale ngwa kanu mushara directly ne US government. US government bado ngoto ya renge ARVs amari yoga abantu bakoje bwate HIV and AIDS. The test kits barimo bintu birimo ko gutumeka kwa test no HIV no bwate HIV. Lakini recently ya reduce number hiyo. For the last 5 years ina bakanya ngo reduce wasake lakini the last 3 months mbali reduce number n'abantu aba 200 employees mbagenda anka. Lakini intio muna serikali ya county ya Kisii omugabano yito Paul Simbarati aka move very fast akalika abanyagitari 110 mbari kubachoire gasi bacha yokore gasi
ase bono abasai baboriwe wesokia na kwenekia ngwetanga barekurwa konyora oboraire oboiga
ne bichana bari abake bamura abake emyaka gochaka kianda paka 24 years oborere obora bonga asa abana abo igeto gosaba bijana ng'aka muranche mo subscribe to ABC igo ebijana ase mwabetaka muranche mogenda mogoro testing oborere oboro bonge sana gati ya ino munaba murabake n'abasipati abake
Korwegwa ase University ya Kisii kuripoteria maya me Yensoko TV Nchempethuel Machin.